on Cooking with Linda. We're celebrating Cinco de Mayo. We're making a whole lot of chicken enchiladas. First, we're going to start by making the enchilada sauce. We wash and chop approximately 1 pound of tomatoes. We dice 1 large onion and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Next, in a bowl, we combine 2 tablespoons of chipotle chilies and adobo sauce, 1½ cups of our chopped tomatoes, 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle chili, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Next, we saute 2 cloves of minced garlic in a saucepan for approximately 5 minutes. Next, we mix the rest of the enchilada sauce ingredients into the pot and cook for approximately 5 minutes. While the enchilada sauce is cooking, we can start working on the chicken mixture. We mix 1 pound of shredded chicken breast, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, 1/3 cup of chicken broth, and 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes. We start by sauteing the rest of the garlic and the onions in a saucepan. Now that we finished the mixture, we add it to the saucepan and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now that we finished the enchilada sauce and the chicken mixture, now it's time to assemble the enchiladas. Before we start assembling, we set the oven to 400 degrees. We put 1/3 cup of the chicken mixture into our tortilla, roll it, and place it in the baking dish. Next, we pour the sauce all over the enchiladas, and then we top that with 1 cup of Mexican cheese mix. Then we cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake for 20 minutes. Now that it's finished baking, we garnish with chopped scallions. Happy Cinco de Mayo, and that's how you make chicken enchiladas.
Well, Dobby's going to celebrate Cinco de Mayo with us. And we're going to give her a little Mexican-style blend cheese. Wait. Wait. Are you hungry? Okay.